The Dawaki Project 2018 is underway. This time we kicked off fieldwork in Milford Sound. The fjord presented itself in all its mystical glory, with mist clinging to its almost vertical mountain flanks. We came armed with 4 GPS dive loggers to put on female penguins, and as if a cruise through Milford Sound to reach your field site wasn't enough, we were greeted by a pair of Theo, or blue duck, a rare but in this case super encouraging sight. It's a good indicator that stoats may be only a minor problem along the Harrison River. Good news for the penguins for sure. The Harrison Cove bush greeted us with a surplus of green and moisture. And the penguins were for the most part where we expected them to be, doing what we thought they would be doing, incubating in their rock-sheltered nests. On all of the nests, male penguins were sitting on their progeny, and this ranged from a couple of eggs all the way to fairly chunky chicks that are a week or older. Around half of the birds were still on eggs though, which ruled them out for our GPS logger deployment plans. A few females returned to their nest in the afternoon. But rather than overly disturbing them when they should feed their chicks, we decided to come back after dark when the families were all settled. And in the dark we managed to get 2 devices out. And get the first GLS loggers back that we had deployed last season. The next day we continued our nest checks. We deployed time-lapse cameras on our logger nests and tried to get accurate GPS positions. But we failed on that front. The forest is simply too thick here. Shortly before the Discovery Center closed shop, we headed back down to the beach, and with the last cruise boat of the day, we went back to the harbor. As nasty weather crept closer towards Milford Sound, we got cozy in the dockhouse, while patiently waiting for 354 days worth of GLS data to be downloaded. Pity that we had to bring 2 of our GPS dive recorders back. But there will be more females willing to cooperate when we return next week. Up next, Jackson Head and the West Coast.